Shubor nagaslem Jngoh Nausan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla kondat ke sangma henne ka sngi Leit banjurap ya ka Central Semen Bank ka balamang kerpang da ka Intensive Cattle Bank Project ka badan ha apa Shillong. Na kalyang Myntri Rangbah kondat ke sangma loong baki tiar kitar ki bala pendan kam ha kani ka jaka kidai ki bala bit labyang bat ngide ban sngo sarong baka dan kani ka jaka ka bani rap shikat day ngi khanang man penroy ya ka jingdon ki masi ha po ka Jylla. Lengba kani ke Central Semen Bank en laban ajing yerap na buon kilyang laga de hakalyang kadot bat komjuru kado bat kan yerap ru ya kinong rem. Myntri Rangbah ula ai kublei ki doktor bat kinong trei ki bala trei shitam pan ai ke jing shakri hakani ke jaka.
We are here in Upper Shillong in the Central Semen Bank, and this is one of the state-of-the-art facilities not only in the state but in the entire northeast. And the kind of technology that is being used out here, whether it is to extract the semen as well as to process it as well as to store it, all the technologies that are required for it are available here, and it's something that we all should be very proud of. It's something that is in fact now helping us to ensure that the overall quality and the breed of the cows and the bulls that we have in the state will go up, which will ultimately lead to higher production in terms of the milk production that we have and also the meat production, and which will ultimately help the farmers at the end of the day. So therefore it's a great technology. I really thank the doctors who have been working very hard out here and all the entire staff that has been working hard, and it's a highly technical setup, and I'm sure that this will at the end of the day benefit the farmers and the public of the state as a whole.